historic, unprecedented flooding swamped southern USA, Mississippi and Tennessee hardest hit. Weeks of heavy rain have inundated a large portion of the southern US, bringing near-record flooding to portions of Mississippi and Tennessee. In Jackson, Mississippi, hundreds of residents either watched their homes flood over the weekend or worried their residents would soon be drenched as the Pearl River crested Monday at 36.8 feet, its third highest level ever recorded, behind only 1979 and 1983. The flooding is the result of a stubbornly damp weather pattern. February has seen a constant stream of wet storms rolling across the deep south, said AccuWeather meteorologist Paul Walker, who called it a crazy month for the amount of rain that's fallen across the region.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.